Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
newer classification. Instead of simple complex atypia without atypia, this newer classification is just classifying the endometrial hyperplasia into two types: endometrial hyperplasia without atypia or endometrial intraepithelial neoplasia with atypical cells. Endometrial hyperplasia without atypia can be simple or complex hyperplasia. Endometrial intraepithelial neoplasia with atypical cells include simple or complex hyperplasia. The simple or complex hyperplasia is a histopathological finding and it is based on glandular architecture. Normal endothelium. Normal endothelium. Normal endothelium has glands to the stromal ratio will be 1:4. In hyperplasia, there will be increase in the glands relative to the stroma. Then simple hyperplasia. In simple hyperplasia, increase in glands is present but to a lesser extent. So here in simple hyperplasia, the tubular glands are increased. Then complex hyperplasia. In complex hyperplasia, there is increase in glands is high, leading to overcrowding of the glands. There is back-to-back arrangement of glands is seen and stroma decreases significantly. This is complex hyperplasia. In complex hyperplasia, the glands are curved and convoluted. Atypical cells. Atypical cells includes the cells with big nucleus, increased nuclear cytoplasmic ratio, and big nucleolus. In the atypical cells, crowding of the glands are present. This is a case of complex atypia. Features of atypical cells are present, then there will be complex hyperplasia with atypia. Differences between Differences between complex hyperplasia and endometrial cancer. Complex hyperplasia with atypia will not have any stromal invasion. Note, sometimes in simple hyperplasia without atypia, it looks like Swiss cheese pattern. So this type is called as metropathica hemorrhagica.
So in complex hyperplasia with atypia, there is no stromal invasion, whereas in endometrial cancer, stromal invasion will be present. And then we have simple hyperplasia. The simple hyperplasia without atypia, this will have the tubular glands are present with more glands and uh, less stroma when compared to the normal one, but there is more stroma when compared to the complex hyperplasia. But because there will be, these are looking like many small glands are looking in the simple hyperplasia without atypia, because of presence of many smaller glands in the whole slide, this looks like a cheese, so there is Swiss cheese appearance is seen, and this type is also called as metropathica hemorrhagica.
thank you and thank you for watching.